on right now, but I would be wearing this.
Well, I think this makes so much sense.
We've actually been using it to coordinate here.
That's awesome. And it's
talk to anyone.
took a lot to do solve. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. So, do you have a card by chance?
Yeah,
Yeah, I do.
Nice.
Would you mind if I pass your phone to Paul Radine as well? Do you mind?
No.
I have to ask him. Paul would be like, oh, great. So, I was talking this morning actually. That's so cool. But let's see.
I'm trying to flex this thing, but it's pretty pretty stiff.
Okay, so we did a pre-order. 10 to 12 months. Okay. We did a pre-order. We had a prototype at SolidWorks World last year in January. Again, still SolidWorks. We started shipping production machines in September.
Oh, you know what? I bet this means I'm going to soon.
Awesome. Thank you, John. Look forward to talking.
Anyway, great. I actually think I have. Oh, I probably the screenshot I took earlier. So like once we're in the app. Yeah, this morning this was us. Greg and Shane. It shows us on the map.
It shows your location.
Yeah, so like you want to know where you're supposed to be.
So is it using the phone GPS or is there
yeah.
GPS?
Yes.